sure you heard about it. I got a feature in New York at a publication, Sem 54.
Yes.
So I'm a published author. I was featured there. So now the aim is to, but COVID young Dimitra, because I couldn't go there. I missed out on 2 traveling opportunities
Because of COVID.
New York and Kenya.
Hey.
Could have gone and came back with experience. Covered. If ngifuna ukuba muhle ngale ndlela leyo mali yakwazi ukuya lapha ekutheni ukuthi ngibe muhle. If ngidinga ukugibela iyakwazi ukukhava angibele ngikulandelelela nje kuba and uba ne-energy mawuse stage
ukokeliwe nje mfethu.
11 this is something she's never shared with even with the psychologist yakhe. She's never shared it before.
Serious?
Yes. So I was like, if I'm able to touch inhliziyo yomuntu in that manner, umuntu engajwayelene naye kakhulu in that way, then surely there's more good I can do for other people as well. So, yes.
Which is the reason I always say, inkonzo ziyaphilisa.
Yes.
Wow. Kuyangichaza mangibona umuntu e-research ayiphila into ayikhulumayo. Ayisho mfethu ayiphila avichaza lo shandisi leyo avichaza lo shandisi leyo uthi umuntu mayethi I want to kiss you till your lips get numb ngino uyambona uyayisho lento mfethu ayiphila imnandi le